Good morning students. Last class grammar completion of sentences, types of sentences, declarative, interrogative, imperative and exclamative sentences completed. The next topic is children, look at that all of you and take your notes. Your rough notes or long white notes or that is subject notes and note down that is here some important that is points on the blackboard. So I am explaining and I am writing notes on blackboard while I am explaining. Please listen and note down. Here generally here is conjunction. Conjunction is a word used to join two words or phrases or two sentences. Now children look at here. Conjunction is a word used to join two words or two phrases. Here is two phrases or two sentences. Any two sentences, any two words are there. Here conjunction is known as joining words or linkers or joining words. Conjunctions are known as linkers or joining words. Here now page children, here is page number 8. Page number 8. See that. B. Read the following sentences and observe how the words in bold are used. Now children, first sentence. It is all your affection and encouragement. It is all your affection is a part of this sentence. Encouragement is a phrase. Encouragement is a phrase. So part of the sentence and phrase linked with conjunction and here there. So and is conjunction. Next. And another example here, boys and girls are going to attend examination. Boys and girls. Boys word and girls word. So and is used conjunction. Here like this. Next. Second example. People grew impatient, but the emperor continued to support him. Here and is used to, that is join. But what about the but? It is condition. But is used as here is a condition. Here there is to suggest a contrast. Contrast means here difference. He worked hard but failed examination. What about? He worked hard is a positive. But what about what they expected? He worked hard means passed. But he worked hard but failed. He is poor but honest is quite opposite. So but is used to contrary ways. Next or. Here is or is used alternatives. That is he come by bus or car. By bus or car alternative. That is or should use the alternative, but should use the condition that is a contrary and should use it to join two words or two phrases. Now look at the children. Third one. Bring him at once or you will be punished. Bring him at once or you will be punished. These three examples. First example is bold letters. Bold letters means thick dark and conjunction. Second but conjunction. Third or conjunction. And but or here is conjunctions. But different is there. And is used to join two words. Here is or phrases. Or phrases. Next here is but to suggest a contrast. Contrast means here is a difference. Contrast means here is a difference. Next or. Or means here is a an alternative. alternative. R is here is presents an alternative. So we are going to discuss this. So many conjunctions are there, but as per according to our lesson, so and but are called conjunctions. As you know, given children, conjunction. What is the definition of the conjunction? It is one of the parts of speech. Conjunction is one of the parts of speech. Conjunction is a word used to join two words or two phrases or two sentences. So here is conjunctions are discussed and, but, or. So and should be used to join two words or phrases. Next, what about but? But is a conjunction which is used to suggest or suggest a contrast, means different. For example, he worked hard, he failed in the examination. But it is different. He is poor but honest. So it is quite different. So such conditions here is but. Or should be used alternative. Alternative means here he comes by bus or by car. By bus or car means or car. Bus or car, both are vehicles. But it is an alternative. Or should be used alternative. Children, look at your textbook, page number 9. The word and joins two words, phrases. The word but is used to suggest a contrast. The word or presents an alternative, a choice. Alternative or a choice. Here is alternative or a choice. Here is or. Okay, children? These are called conjunctions. These are called conjunctions. So, what are they are using in the sentence? They help to join two or more words or two or more clauses or two or more phrases. To join two sentences, two phrases or two words or two clauses. Any here is a conjunction is a bridge here. You know that is Krishna river. But before that is before Prakasham barrage, so there is no connection between Krishna district and Godavari district. When constructed there is Prakasam barrage or Varadi, Kanakatulkama Varadi, so we have developed that is many relations. Many relations here from that is the Krishna district and Guntur districts are so many exchanges. So children, here is conjunction. And okay, next paragraph. See children, page number same page 9. Next, he rushed into the hall and sat into the sofa. He rushed into the hall and sat. So here two actions, children. He rushed into the sofa. Then, and what next? He sat in the sofa. So, and is used conjunction. He rushed into the hall and sat in the sofa. Next example. It is raining heavily. So, is also conjunction. We want to go out to play. So, here is condition. It is raining heavily. So, we want to go out to play. Next, children, you should do like this. You see, it is a paragraph, given a paragraph. So, in the paragraph, some are conjunctions are hidden, used conjunctions are there. Just you could read the passage, the paragraph, and identify which are there is a conjunctions. Who are conjunctions? Children, take your pencil. Just I am going to read the paragraph. So, you also read the paragraph. Okay, children. Meena wants to go on holidays. Everyone is happy, but Meena is not. What about that? Meena wants to go on holidays. Everyone is happy. Everyone is here happy. But Meena is not happy. Meena, holidays, here he wants to go. One sentence. Everyone is, but Meena is not. Here, but is conjunction, children. Okay, next. She is unhappy. Who? Meena. Because, why? Because there are some baby sparrows in the nest. You know, look at the picture. Sparrows are there. So here, because is a conjunction. Because it expresses a reason. It expresses a reason. So, because there are some baby sparrows. Because there are some baby sparrows in the nest on a corner of a room. And a corner of a room. Now children, Which is the conjunction here? Because is the conjunction. Because is a conjunction. Next, if all the members of the family went out of the house, so children, here conjunctions, some conjunctions are begin with the sentences. Here if also begin with the sentence. If also begin with the sentence. So if all the members of the family, if is underlined, if is conjunction. Next, it would be locked. Then how would the mother sparrow or the father sparrow feed their babies? If they lock the house, who would that is feed mother sparrow or father sparrow? Here mother or father, so or should be used conjunction. So or underline. Next, Meena's mother said that they would remove all the things from the room. From the room. They would remove. So that is also conjunction here, children. Open the windows and lock the door from outside. So we should open the windows inside of the room and we went out, locked outside of the room. మనం బయటికి వెళ్ళి లాక్ చేద్దాం, విండోస్ ఓపెన్ చేద్దాం, ప్రాబ్లం ఉండదు అన్నారు. So and is there here and thus the house would be safe. The house would be safe and sparrows could come and go freely. Nobody is there, so sparrows would come and go freely. So here and is conjunction and go freely. So also conjunction. So Meena is happy again. Now children, so here read the passage. Here 9 conjunctions are there. 9 conjunctions are there. So you should identify and that is underline the particular conjunctions. Now children, here is the conversation. Read the following conversation, write in the form of a narrative story. You have to read the conversation and write a story. And the next children, page number 10. A small announcement. A small announcement. Generally, announcement we heard from bus station, railway station generally. That is aeroplanes there. Here there is aerodomes. That is next exhibitions. Some exhibitions also. That is announcements are generally we heard. So here is there. First, see the page number 10. See the picture here is that is picture is there. Some are passengers there. That is taking their luggage and walking on the road. Where do we listen to announcements? Generally, children, where? Bus station, railway station, and public places. Generally, here is exhibition is there, and here right bazaar. So some announcements are there if necessary. Where do we listen? Announcements. Question. At the bus station, at the railway station, at some public places, etc. So some public places means here is exhibition is also public place, and right bazaar is also public place. So here are some model announcements are there, usually made at the railway station. What kind of announcements are found at railway station? General children, your attention please. Your attention please. Train number 17487, the Tirumala Express from Visakhapatnam to Kadapa. You know children, did you listen this kind of announcement? Hey Mr. Children, you are that is a railway station. Yeah, your railway station. When you go to railway station, just you heard this kind of announcements. So that is repeatedly. Even that is it is announced 3 languages. First is here is English. Next is here is Hindi, and third one is also Telugu. The beautiful voice is there. Here is now. Your attention please. Train number 17487, the Tirumala Express from Visakhapatnam to Kadapa is arriving on platform number 7, platform number 4. Here is there. You go. That is announcement. When you heard announcement, the Tirumala Express which platform, madam? Please tell me. 7th platform, on 7th platform. So it is this kind of announcement is different. Expressions are here different. The expressions are different. Generally, it is very that is curious to listen because that type of voice should be maintained. That is delivering this kind of announcements, which is very attractive. Public attention. They listen. They sound. They listen. They saw on the, listen, just it is displayed on the LCD, that is the screens, no problem. Before that, not here, before that, just here announcement, we should announcement. And before announcement, here mic sound, beep sound, mic sound is there. Okay, that is, it is a kind of different kind of experience, children. Okay, children, I think by next class, I will explain there is some more grammar along with a small story by next class. Thank you, children.